Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooedteacherplans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a monthly spread for the month of May, which happens to be my birthday month, and I'm not the person who's like, it's my birthday month, but I'm just letting you know it's my birthday month. And this is going to be another one of those, like April, where we don't really know what's happening. So it will be more empty than it normally would, but not like April. April had like nothing. Now it's starting to fill up a little bit. I'll go ahead and show you here. So I do fill it up. I just, pre-planning wise, not a whole lot going on here, but it is the end of the school year this month, so there will be a lot of school events. I have this gorgeous kit from Shop Jessica Hearts. It's called Freshly Picked. I chose rose gold foil, the overlay to go with it, and I just think it's so gorgeous. And I love these bright pink flowers. I needed something bright and cheery for my birthday month. I'm turning 36 this year, which every year that passes now, it's like, it doesn't feel like I'm 36. I mean, in the morning when I'm like all stiff and like trying to move, yeah, but like in my mind, nah, it's weird. I've talked to my grandparents about it before, and they said the same thing, that they still feel like themselves inside their heads and their bodies have just betrayed them over time. So on that note, let's dig into this monthly spread. So I couldn't find a bunch of washi to go with this because usually, you know, I fill in with washi. I did find these three that I thought might work. I don't have very much rose gold foiled washi, so I have this old school one. You know I hate the tape, but we can make it work, and I think it's cute. And then I've got this one from Simply Gilded, and then my trusty old burlap washi because there's kind of some natural elements in the kit. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down the foundation of this spread, and I'm going to go ahead and set up my little notes page over here with my tending list. You'll notice I had to rework some things, and I'm going to leave a little bit of room for some growth because like I sat down and I got frustrated. So I know that there's going to be some things like when I'm in a better mindset, I'll be able to add that are positive things to put on this tending list. But last month also someone asked, what is a tending list? So I got this idea from Cultivate What Matters, and also from my mäksēlife goal planner, where you come up with a list of things. Now their systems are much more structured. I don't do well with a lot of structure. So just having a list to check off is all that I really need, because I look at this when I'm building my weekly spreads. So this is totally fine with me. I know in the goal planners and stuff, they have deadlines. Deadlines stress me out. So none of these things are urgent except for birthday gifts for next month. So I'm good with just a simple list. So that's what we're going to do right now, and then I'll come back with you and we'll do the plans together. All right, so here is the foundation all done and my little notes page over here. So we're ready to jump into the plans. So I don't really have anything until the 5th, which is my brother-in-law's birthday. So we're going to use one of these little icons. I have a couple birthdays this month, so but only one little present. So we're going to have to find something else. But there's like not that much room, so I think for him I will go ahead and use this little present on an icon, maybe green. And put in his birthday. My planner is so fat right now that it's getting hard to write sometimes because it's not an even surface anymore. Okay, got that. And then the 8th is our last day for schoolwork. So we're not taking any more schoolwork after this day. Well, we're taking work, but we're not assigning work. So I'm going to put in one of these from Once More with Love. This one right here. So it's our last day to assign work, but we're still taking work until the 15th. Okay. The 13th is my mama's birthday. So we need to do something cute for that. And I think I know what I want to use. One of these. Let me use this one. And I think I will go ahead. No, I've already got this down, so we'll just put this right there. I haven't gotten her gifts yet. Or Mother's Day, because they're always like really close to each other, or they're on the same day every year. And I haven't gotten either one. Oh, there's going to be some online ordering happening. Okay, and then the next thing that I have is my birthday. And the last couple of years have marked it the same way with one of these girls. But I think this time I will use one of these. And maybe the blue, because there's a little bit of light blue in the kit. So cute. I wish I had long hair like that. All right. No plans for my birthday, obviously. Nothing's happening. Okay, the 22nd is our last day of work, like of school. Like everything is done, so maybe another one of these guys, but like maybe this one. Right here. I don't know what we're doing. Like once our kids have their work turned in, I have no clue what is going to be happening. We'll figure it out as we go, I guess. We are doing a remote graduation though, so I don't know. It's so weird. Like I feel like this day might be like feel like the end of school, but then we're just like in limbo, and then this is graduation, and I want to mark that in some way because I want it to be like cute. I don't think I have any more graduation stuff. I had some last year because I graduated from grad school, but I don't think I have anything left. But let me check. Or maybe, ooh, no, I do have some. Hold on. In the school section here, I've got something. I know I do. Okay, here we go. We've got these little scribblers. This will totally work. There we go. I almost forgot I had those. Okay, so I'm going to put this right here. I don't even know what graduation is going to look like this year. 2020 graduation. All right, and then we've got this day off, but maybe I want to put a day off sticker right there. Might try to go to the lake. That would be fun. And then these two are work days, so I do want to mark that. I technically took one of them already off because we don't have to be there. Like, they're work days, and I have days saved up, so like I don't need them. But we got an email from our superintendent basically saying like, this is a work day, don't forget. So maybe like some cute coffee cups. So let me find my coffee cups. Some spring ones. We've got green, that would be good. That's cute. Use one of these and maybe a green one. Ooh, blue. No, it's a little bright. Let's use one of these guys. I have so many coffee cups. It's not even funny. Okay, so let's put this one here and this one here, since that's green right there. Okay, let's see if I can actually write on this. Okay, not too terrible. All right, that is everything that I have planned. And like I said, it will fill up some more, but I'm not planning on traveling anywhere, obviously. And there's not any big events happening like there normally would be. We always have like a end of school get together. We're not doing that this year, I'm guessing. So this is it. Now, all is finished, I think. Yeah. I thought I was forgetting something for a second, but I think we are done. So I've got these washies that I can add in later as I layer like this. That's so pretty. But yeah, this is gonna look really cute. I love this Let Your Dreams Blossom, and that looks so pretty too. Ooh, I need to add some more foil. All right, I hope that you enjoyed this quick plan with me. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!